Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Technions. Today we are going to learn about Docker container ls command and also the run command. So open the command prompt. First I'm going to check the images in my Docker. We can see a list of images, but these are just the images and these are not running containers. So in order to check the containers, this will give you a list of running containers. My Jenkins is running on port 8080, so it is giving. And now I want to see the list of all the containers, whether it is running or not. So what we will give is -a. So you can see these containers are running right now. Okay. And since Jenkins is already started, I will stop it. And give the image ID and start it again in front of you. Remove this container. Okay, now I'm going to start this Jenkins container in front of you again. So the command is docker container run. The name I want to give to this Jenkins, let's keep it my gen. Okay, it's fine. And then the port I want, this is called port mapping 8080 to 8080. Okay, and then the name of the image. Okay, so since Jenkins is already present inside my image, here you can see Jenkins present. It is not going to pull the image, it will start directly the container. I'm not starting the container in background, so you will see each and every process running right now. See, a list of processes are being run. So when this is whole thing completed, this whole thing completes, we will be able to see this Jenkins running on port 8080. I got a password here. So just let me refresh it once more. It is getting ready right now and we can see it here. If I have run this container in a detached mode, you won't see these many processes. You will just see the container ID. So Jenkins is fully up and running. We got this message. Now when I go here, and we will see that it requires a password, which has been given here. So we are not going to go into details about Jenkins right now. I will stop this image again in front of you, this container. Stop. Just let me have a look on the details present. Okay, so the name of my image is here, my gen. First of all, container ID, the image, the comma, this, leave these. Yeah, see this one, the port mapping we did, and the status, it is still running. It has started a minute ago and it is still running. And also the name I gave. Okay, now I want to stop it. So I always prefer to take the container ID name. So container stop, the same, and then removing it. Now I will run the same thing in a detached mode. So I will refresh it. Now you will see nothing is available. The site can't be reached. I will run the same run command. Okay, but it will run in a detached mode. Okay, so what we got, that the container is running, we got the image container ID, and when we check, see again I got my gen is running and it was started just moments ago and it is running. But you know, these processes which we saw here now, it's running in background, so you need to give some time to let it configure, and then when you go to Jenkins again, you will be able to see all the details. Okay, so right now I won't get any password, so it's a problem for me, but it was just for the illustration purpose, like for the images having no like password requirement and all. You can directly run it in detached mode and start. See, we don't have the password, but okay, this was all about the container running command and run command, and then in the next video we will enter the container and give some commands. Okay, and also okay, thank you.